ngayon ng events place at the same time may isang meet-all-you-can Korean barbecue restaurant sa Taguig. Bawat sulok ng restaurant, Korean na Korean. Mula sa mga K-pop posters hanggang sa mga Korean-style staffs.
We also bring 100% Korean ingredients from Korea. And fourth one, include me, we have 5 Korean employees and even crews to cook for all the Korean customers and all the foreigners and explain it or show how to eat Korean food. And this is not only just a Korean restaurant, this is also entertainment place for the Korean celebrities or the people who want to party or events or launching show. Actually, we got all the idea from the K-pop. So the K-pop people like Super Junior or Girl Generation, lots of Korean K-pop stars became very famous internationally, or even Big Bang. So we got inspired from all the famous celebrities who have like very nice jacket, blazer, and even the look and the hairstyle and the dye hair. Also the skinny jean, high heels, everything.
Ilan sa mga pagkain dapat yung subukan sa restaurant ay ang seafood pancake, cheese and seafood spicy rice cake and fish cake, Korean-style pancit, at egg roll. At para sa kanilang main event, ang one to sawang karne, pork belly, thinly sliced pork belly, sweet and spicy pork belly, tender pork marinated in soy and garlic, marinated chicken fillets, sweet and spicy chicken fillets, at beef sukiyaki. Para sa kanilang Meet All You Can Challenge, maaaring pumili sa dalawang kategorya ng Eat and Run. Ang Beat the Clock, kung saan kinakailangang maubos ang lahat ng pagkain na nasa mesa sa loob ng 60 minuto. At ang No Limit, kung saan lahat ng mga pagkain nasa Beat the Clock ay may bonus pa na 5 klase ng special barbecue meat. Lahat ng yan pwedeng kainin at your leisure without limits. Hindi lang karne ang libre dyan dahil pag birthday mo, libre na rin ang birthday song performance. Joanne Chavez, Eagle News.